Hi, today we will be reviewing a steamer that you can carry on trips, on vacations, and it's handy to use at home. It comes with two different attachments, a brush and something for silk. This is the reservoir where you pour the water. It comes with a measuring cup and as well as a user guide. Pause.
So here in the back, I just press the on button, and then to start the steam to come out, you just press this little button right here, and there the warm steam comes out. So yeah, let's go try it out. So here I am. I'm gonna straighten out the shirt a little bit. Start steaming. So as you can see, it straightened out a lot. Very convenient if you live in an apartment, so something smaller instead of a whole ironing table. And very quick and easy to use. Thank you guys for watching.